Scene script. Ever wondered why some places on Earth seem bursting at the seams with people, while others appear desolate? This is a question of population density, a concept that might seem simple, but which has profound implications for our world. Population density is a measure of the number of individuals per unit area. It's a critical metric in understanding how societies function, how resources are utilized, and how the environment is impacted. To visualize population density, imagine a football field. If only one person were standing in the middle, the population density would be extremely low. Now, picture the same field, but filled with a crowd of roaring fans. That's high population density. Dense populations are not a rarity. In fact, they're the norm in many parts of the world. Monaco, for instance, is the world's most densely populated country, with more than 19,000 people packed into each square kilometer. Right on its heels is Singapore, with nearly 8,000 people per square kilometer. These places might be small, but they're buzzing with human activity. On the other side of the spectrum, we have countries like Mongolia, where only 2 people occupy the same amount of space. But why does this matter? Well, population density has a direct impact on several aspects of life. In densely populated areas, resources like water and electricity are in high demand. This can lead to strain on infrastructure, but also drives innovation and efficiency. High density can also foster a sense of community and shared culture, as well as providing a large labor force that can fuel economic growth. Conversely, low population density can mean less pressure on resources, but it can also lead to isolation and difficulties in providing services like healthcare and education. It's also worth noting that population density isn't evenly distributed within countries. Cities, for example, are often far denser than rural areas. In Mumbai, India, there are more than 20,000 people per square kilometer, while the density of the entire country is just over 400. In conclusion, population density is a fascinating and complex topic. It affects everything from the economy to the environment, and from urban planning to social interaction. To summarize, Monaco is the most densely populated country in the world, while Mongolia has the lowest population density. High population density can lead to resource strain but also drives innovation, while low density can result in isolation. And within countries, cities are usually much denser than rural areas. Understanding population density helps us better navigate the challenges and opportunities of our world and reminds us that, ultimately, we're all in this together.